Hey guys, so today we are working with a second grade standard. It is solve word problems involving dollar bills, quarters, dimes, nickels, pennies, and making sure that we are using the appropriate dollar and cent symbols when we are working. But to begin, we're just going to start off with identifying our coins and making sure that we are on standard for combining coins and observing them when they are again combined together. So to begin, we have a penny. We know that a penny is worth 1 cent, and we have our appropriate symbol over there. We have a dime, which is worth 10 cents. Our dime is our smallest coin that we'll be working with. Our nickel is worth 5 cents. And our quarter is the largest coin that we will be working with. And a quarter is worth 25 cents. So now that we kind of have identified all of our coins, we're going to go ahead and shop our grocery list. So the first thing on our grocery list is a pack of bacon. So it says that our bacon is worth 15 cents. So we can kind of go ahead and already visualize what kind of coins we will be needing. So we know that the largest coin that we could use for our base is a dime, because we know that a dime again is worth 10 cents. The next coin that we can use is either 5 pennies or 5 nickels, but our standard wants us to be able to work with the smallest amount of coins to keep the work simplistic. So we're going to go ahead and use our nickel, and our nickel is worth 5 cents. Instead, like I said before, we could have used 5 pennies, but because the standard wants us to keep it simple, we will work with a nickel. The next thing on our grocery list is a loaf of bread, and our loaf of bread is worth 30 cents. So we find our bread in our basket, we put it up there, and we can start off with kind of using some random combinations of coins. So we could do 10, 20, and we can do 30. And that is our most simplistic version, or we could do a quarter and a nickel. But both of these are appropriate and can be used to go along with the standard.